Buddy, it is March the 28th, and like most of you, I am isolating, or I guess our family is isolating, and a lot of people are trying to figure out what to do with their time. So what I've done with my time over the winter, even before the COVID crisis kicked in, what I decided to do with my time this year was I decided to put my old motorcycles back together. I've got a 76 Goldwing, and I've got a 1978 Yamaha 650 Special. Both of these bikes are near and dear to me. The 650 Special I bought when I was 18 years old, and I had the opportunity to, I sold it back, actually I sold it back in 1995, and then I had the opportunity to buy the same motorcycle back again in August of last year. The gentleman who owned it, a pastor friend of mine, he was getting ready to retire. So I've got the 78 Special back in my presence, in my shed here, and I've got a 76 Goldwing. I bought the 76 Goldwing like a month after I sold the 650 Special back in 1995. I was engaged to the woman I am now married to, and I decided to buy this motorcycle and enjoy it. So, anyways, this year I've decided to build a shed. I'll show you my shed. We'll go outside here first. Actually, I built the shed last year, but this year, this winter, I decided to build a room. And if you look over my shoulder, you will see a room. It's 16 by 6 feet, and what it is, it's a room, it's a shed. I call it a shed inside my shed or my bike shop. So I built this room, and here it is. So it's my bike room. I've got the 650 Special here, as you can see, and I'm going to flip the camera right now. Guess I can't do it. Anyways, I got the 650 Special right here, and that's the one that I had bought when I was 18 years old back in 1988, and now I've got it again. 32 years later, the bike's in my possession again. So that's the 650 Special. As you can see, she's dirty. She hasn't run for 22 years when I bought her, but last year I did get it running on just one cylinder, so I think I need a coil. I think a coil is shot on. Here is the 1976 Goldwing GL1000, and as you can see, she's pretty stripped down. I didn't take the engine out, but I basically took off everything else off of this bike. And I'm in the process, not of a rebuild job, I would say. I just wanted to clean it and just paint some parts. I'm not going with the original yellow. I just wanted to clean it up, get it going. I did put, I took the points off, put the electronic ignition on her. And what else did I do? I also put the coils from a 1500 Goldwing on it. Apparently, these Goldwings run a lot better if you're using the 1500 Goldwing. The coils, it just gives a better spark to the ignition, helps everything run better. Anyways, I got that idea from a YouTuber that I was watching who had a 77 GL1000. I think it was 1100, and he did that. What else did I do? I changed new belts. I put new timing belts on it a while ago. I rebuilt the carburetor. I'm putting new tires. There's the old tires right there. And there's the new tires up there, ready to go, tubes and everything in it. As you can see across the top of my shelf here in my bike shop, I've got all the different parts, radiator, oh gosh, all kinds of little parts up there. There's the exhaust. I've got to figure out what to do with my exhaust. I don't think I'm going to use those. And like I said, I didn't go with the original yellow. I changed the color of the bike to more of a dark blue, almost a purple kind of a color. Some purists might get upset with me. Oh well, whatever. And so there you go. So this is my shed. This is where I'm working now. Trying to pass my time away during the COVID crisis. And it's cool. It's a cool little shed. I've got a little heater. It's really insulated. Got my coffee going here. And I'm just enjoying life. And trying to stay isolated and out of trouble as much as I can. So there you go. Just fill you in if anybody is interested in knowing what I'm doing. Thank you.